Hey everybody, how you doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. I wanted to come to you with a very quick video. I made a purchase from Dakota Stones, and I just kind of wanted to share what I got with you, just so that you could see the great finds that you can get at Dakota Stones. I'm not an affiliate. I get nothing from this. I'm just sharing. So let me make sure it's now I see a paper here and it has my address on it. So let me just take that out and let's just see what I got. Okay. So I got about let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 things. And of these 15 things, it cost me $324. Okay, so let me just take a look and see what's in here. That's the one thing about going shopping for stuff. You put your order in, and then the shipping takes a little bit for things to get to you, and then you forget what you buy. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to add more turquoise and things like that to my inventory. So you see quite a bit of that. And then, of course, I love pearls. No pearls in this one, but there is this tiny baby here I want to pull out. This is a shell. It's a Hubai. I think that's how you call turquoise. Hubai turquoise with AAA lapis and spiny oyster. So let me let you see that up close. On their own, each one of these is pretty costly. So like turquoise is costly, lapis is costly, and then a spiny oyster is also costly. But together, they made this really pretty strand. These are very tiny. So they're 1 by 2 by 3 square dells is what it's called. They're super cute and small. And I really, really love them. I really love them. This strand was 16 bucks. No, I'm sorry. This strand was $34, right? So it's not cheap. It isn't. Yeah, look at that. I'll let you get a good look. Let me focus. It's really pretty. Okay, so that's that. And then let's see, what else did I get in here? Oh, yes, what I did was I got some sapphire. How can you have a blue sapphire without sapphire, right? So this is 6mm faceted sapphire rounds. This is a 15 by 16 inch strand, or 16 to 15 to 16 inch strand. They're very pretty. I'm trying to get it to focus. Yeah. So this is my first time purchasing genuine sapphire. So I'm really happy to have that. Yeah. And then let's see what we got here. Okay, so now we have some, before I get to the turquoise, let's do this one. I saw this and I thought it was quite beautiful. I've never had it before, and these are some big chunkers too. This one is called, let me tell you what this one is. Porcelain agate. It was on clearance. These are 12mm. Huge, but I just thought it was so pretty. Porcelain agate. I had never seen it before. This is a 15 to 16 inch strand, and it was on clearance for $6.40. It's nice, isn't it? It kind of reminds you of the, with the other agate coming through, it reminds me of the gemstone of the year, the Cloud Dancer. These are bigger ones, Okay. All right. Now I wanted to get some of these Z agate beads, more of them in my inventory. I have quite a few, but I wanted more. So this is a Z barrel, and it's a 10 by 30 millimeters. And this is in the color blue, which I don't have. And so I wanted to get so that I can have these in my inventory. I think I would have them for a while, because if I was making something, I probably wouldn't use more than like one, maybe two in a design. So I think I'll have those for a while. And then I kept on going with the blue and got the smaller barrels. I really think they're beautiful, honestly. Look at this one. It's just a random black and white one. Cool. I like that. Aren't they nice? So let's see. Let me tell you which size these ones are. So these ones are the 10 by 30. So then this one is going to be 10 by 14. Cute, 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 cute. And then we have these brown ones too. So these brown 10 by 14s are awesome. So I got some of the brown barrel beads that are similar to this from Sam's at the Sam's live sale like 2 weeks ago, and they were matte. So I wanted to get these because these have a gloss finish on them. Bring it up close, you can see. Aren't those amazing? Those are amazing. And then I got these brown boys. These ones are, let's see, these ones are called what's these brown ones called? Oh, Rondell Brown Line. Okay. So these ones are 10 by 14 millimeters. They're rondelles, right? Those would be really cute in a necklace or in a bracelet, or even as, in an earring. Very cute. I could put that with some copper. Be really, really cute earring. I just love these. Yeah, I can't wait to incorporate them in design. Okay, so now I'm going to add to my palette here. I'm going to get into the turquoise. Okay. I wanted to get quite a bit of turquoise, and so let me just do it. This one is the African turquoise. It's 12 millimeter coin, a puffy coin. Come on, focus. There we go. Isn't that delicious? Really, it is so pretty. Look how it goes with this brown color. It's how it goes with that brown. So pretty. Let me see how it will go with the white. Yeah. Very, very pretty. That's African turquoise. And then this one is also African turquoise. This one is an 8 millimeter round. Yeah. Let's get it to focus. Can I get it to focus for you? There we go. Now you can see the variation in color and how beautiful that is. This one has more of a like bright teal green to it. This one has more of the browns in it with the blacks. Very, very pretty. Then I have this one. This one is also African turquoise, but it's faceted. It's a roundel. And it is a 3 by 6 millimeter faceted rondelle. And it's just as lovely as the other two strands. Smaller, but just as pretty. Look at that. So I can see putting this with some Red Creek Jasper. Wouldn't that be nice? Like with the red that you see or the brown that you see in there, that would go really nicely with some Red Creek Jasper. Faceted rondelles. Okay. So now let's get a little more blue and less green, but a little more blue. This particular one has a little green in it. This is the Dubai Turquoise. It's 5 by 10, 10 to 12 millimeter nuggets. This is lovely too. This is a Chinese turquoise. So you can't really tell on the camera too much. Let's see if I can get it up there. But the green that you see in the camera, it looks kind of grayish. But honestly, when you have this in front of you, you could see this is truly like a greenish blue color like this one. It's pretty. And then we have this one. This is the, let's see, this is the Dubai chip bead. This is the 6 millimeter and it has a little more blue in it. Yeah, these would be very cute in a necklace or when making like a necklace that has some turquoise and maybe some white shells, a very tropical necklace or something. That would be really nice with that, with a like a white starfish or something like that. I should have got 2 strands of these. Really. Let me see. And then we've got this strand of chips. This is actually the Sleeping Beauty. And these are the 3 millimeter chips. You can't see, but Sleeping Beauty is very expensive. I don't think you can see the tag there that it says it's $55. Yeah, this one's up there in price. But you can see the beautiful light blue. Focus, there you go. Look how light and pretty blue that is. And Sleeping Beauty turquoise is hard to find because they closed down the mine where it's mined from. So it's a little more difficult to get and it can be quite costly. Now on to this bad boy that I had never seen before, and this is a Lisa turquoise. This is a 5 to 6 millimeter pebble, and I just thought it was absolutely beautiful. They're very shiny. Look at that. Can you see that good? You really can't see the green. I wish I could. Let me see if I could adjust the color here so that you can see. It's not really green. It's like mint. It's like a mint color. Come on through. I don't know if you can see. It's really a mint. It looks a different color on the screen, and I'm really sorry for that. I wish I could fix that for you. It doesn't really help. That's a little bit better, but still not quite it. And then the last one that I got here is going to be the Hue by Turquoise. And this one is a 7 by 9 to 8 by 10 millimeter. And these are going to be your nugget beads. I love them. These are they can be incorporated in so many beautiful designs. It's beautiful. They're really beautiful. So this is what I was able to pick up this time so that I can add more turquoise to my inventory because I really like it and I want to incorporate it in more designs. And then this is the Z agate that I needed to add to my inventory to incorporate it. This is something that's brand new to me. I really love them. They're very just beautiful to look at. I don't know exactly how I'll use them, but I felt like I had to have them for $6. And then the sapphire, right? How do you have a blue sapphire and no sapphire in your inventory? Okay, so I need to be able to use these sapphires, and I actually want to find some sapphires that are going to be bigger. It's probably going to cost me an arm and a leg, but I have to get some in my inventory. And then this bad boy here was probably the star of the show. I think it's so pretty. Anyway, I hope you liked my little haul here from Dakota Stones. They always do such a great job, and they have such quality stones over there. I'll go ahead and make sure to put the link to this Dakota Stones in the description box for you. So in the meantime, if I don't see you soon, go and make something beautiful. Have a great day. Bye-bye.